Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the machine, reboot into safe mode now, and immediately disconnect network access so the malware can't talk to other devices. Once in safe mode, open File Explorer and locate the suspected file path you observed. Make a quick copy of non-infected critical files to an external drive for safety. Do not copy the suspicious file. At the same time, update your antivirus signatures if safe mode with networking is used, so detection is. Once the file is identified, scan it with your updated antivirus and a second on-demand scanner to confirm malicious behavior. This gives you confidence before deletion. Next, open Task Manager and end any process using the file, and check auto runs to remove persistence entries so it doesn't restart. If normal deletion fails, open an elevated command prompt and remove the file using Secure Delete or use the antivirus quarantine function. Make sure to clear temporary files and empty recycle bin afterward. After removal, reboot the machine normally and before reconnecting to networks, run a full system scan to verify there are no residual threats. Once scans are clean, check startup entries, scheduled tasks, browser extensions, and hosts file to ensure nothing reappears. If you see repeat infections or missing system files, restore to a known good restore point or use a specialized removal tool. Make sure to back up essential data first. If all else fails, consult a professional to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.